Hey everybody, welcome back to The Spot. My name's Adam Sayre, I'm the Director of Productions here at 143 TV, and I'm joined by The Spot's co-host.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Dial. Thanks so much for tuning in today.
Alright, let's get into our July 15th episode of 2025.
In this week's Spot Summer Series, we're heading slightly south to spotlight a pontoon boat tour with the North and South Rivers Watershed Association. You'll discover the beauty of the North River during this 2-hour ride along the water and explore historic shipyard locations, enjoy the natural habitat, and spot wildlife like eagles and ospreys on a state scenic protected river.
Up to 6 people can take the boat tour together, and they typically run from mid-May through October, departing from Rotes Marine in Marshfield. Booking is easy online, with options for non-members, members, and seniors. Visit North and South Rivers Watershed Association website, www.NSRWA.org, for reservations, pricing, and more information about the tours.
Hi, my name is Reese Leonard from Explosion Dance Group, and you're listening to The Spot.
We've got the inside scoop on the new restaurant opening in the former Blue Oar spot. Hooper's Judge is an American gastropub paying homage to Boston. They'll be serving up elevated American fare in an American pub setting with cocktails.
The owners say it'll be a wonderful generational spot for Cohasset. Hooper's Judge is set to open later this summer. We'll keep you posted on their plans. Get ready to groove. This Friday, July 18th, mark your calendars for an evening of live music on Sandy Beach. Our very own local band, Cold Start, a talented group of Cohasset dads, will be performing from 5:30 until the sun sets. They'll be playing a mix of classics, ranging from the sounds of the Talking Heads to the Grateful Dead, and plenty of other tunes you know and love.
The Snack Shack will be open late for this special concert. A town parking sticker is required to park at the beach. Make sure you have your sticker visible to ensure a smooth and enjoyable event for everyone in our community. Starting July 18th, the Cohasset Historical Society's Beechwood Museum, formerly the 1867 Beechwood Congregational Church, will be open on Fridays from 10 to 12 during the summer. The museum, located at 51 Church Street, showcases the history of the Cohasset Fire and Police Departments, as well as Beechwood's 19th century farming community.
And the Historical Society's Summer Speaker Series continues on Thursday, July 24th, with another fascinating presentation. You'll hear from Joe Lepertz, who will be sharing their incredible story behind the construction of the second Minance Lighthouse. The event starts at 5 p.m. at the Lightkeeper's House. The Cohasset Dramatic Club is bringing you 2 fantastic productions this July. First up, dive under the sea with Disney's Little Mermaid Jr. Join Ariel, Sebastian, and all your favorite characters for a magical journey perfect for the whole family. Performances are Thursday, July 17th through Sunday, July 20th.
Then kick off your Sunday shoes because things are about to get lively with Footloose. Based on the hit movie, this musical is packed with incredible songs and high-energy dance numbers that will have you tapping your feet. Catch Footloose Thursday, July 24th through Sunday, July 27th. For showtimes and to purchase your tickets, visit CohassetDramaticClub.org. It's time to pay those real estate taxes. They're due August 1st. 2 bills were mailed together. The first one is the one that's due August 1st, and the second is due in November. A few important reminders from the Cohasset Treasurer Collector's Office. Post office postmarks do not count towards on-time payment. If you're using your bank's bill pay service, remember they mail a physical check, so please allow at least 1 week for delivery to ensure it arrives on time. Also, be aware that post-dated checks will not be held.
The office closes at 12 p.m. on Friday, so plan accordingly for any last-minute visits. And heads up, late payments will incur a 14% interest rate. There's a $30 demand fee, and there's a $25 charge for bounce checks. If you have any questions at all, call the town's treasurer/collector's office. They're happy to help. Come visit The Spot this Thursday, July 17th at the Cohasset Community Market on the Common. We'll be there from 4:30 to 7:30.
And while you're there, check out some great vendors, grab dinner at one of the food trucks, and enjoy the Cohasset Recreation Summer Concert Series that starts every Thursday at 6 p.m. Blue Cannon is on the stage this week, and Steel Rhythm performs next Thursday, July 24th. Want to keep up with all the happenings in Cohasset? Then sync up your calendar to The Spot. Visit our website, CohassetTheSpot.com, and follow the instructions to download our online calendar straight to yours.
Alright, that was our July 15th episode of The Spot. I'm Adam Sayre, the Director of Productions here at 143 TV.
And I'm Jennifer Dial. We hope you'll tune back in next Tuesday to The Spot, your spot for everything Cohasset. You can find us online at CohassetTheSpot.com, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and 143tv.org.